So my skin type is normal. I don't know if you guys can tell. Right now I don't have any brows, nothing. I have no makeup on, nothing. But my skin type is normal. So I get dry in my cheek area and very oily in my T-zone. I have like blackheads, more so blackheads in my T-zone, but very dry, super dry. When it comes to my skin, my target area is always my T-zone, and then it's my neck area because it gets like very discolored. It's like a little annoying. But yeah, I'm always working on brightening, and then I'm always working on hydrating my skin. So right now I'm gonna use a green tea cleanser. It's my I'm not gonna say it's my favorite. The raspberry is my favorite. But since my skin is dry right now, I'm gonna use the green tea. So the green tea cleanser is good for hydrating. Say if you have a dry skin, if you have combination skin, I always start off with either like a green tea or a glycolic. So glycolic is good for brightening as well. So I always start off with a cleanser and then I do a deep cleanse. So right now I'm going to start off with the green tea just because my skin is dry. And then I'm going to come in with glycolic to brighten. So we'll do a nice deep cleanse. So yeah, alright. So this is going to be the green tea. I'm going to wet my face a little bit because I want it to really apply. And lately my skin has been really good these past couple days. No breakouts. I did have a little breakout on this side of the face, but breakouts could be from like a lot of things. So yeah, I'm gonna come in with the green tea. And it lathers up so good. So I do the little T-zone. And it smells really good as well. And then you come up. So anytime you're applying like products, you always want to apply up in an upward motion. You never want to apply like downwards because like you're sinking your skin down. So yeah, always up. Everything always up. Around the eyes, up. So this is opening up the eye area right now. Apply a little bit more water. And you just really move the product in. So this is the green tea. Like I said, my skin type is normal. But just because it's normal doesn't mean I don't have like any breakouts or any skin. It just means that my skin is dry. I do have hypopigmentation. It's funny because I'm hyperpigmentation facialist, but I have hypopigmentation. So I'm losing like pigment in my skin where you see the white like patches. But I help my clients with the hyperpigmentation, where they have the dark spots, the acne scarring, and things like that. So yes. So I'm gonna get my neck area. I'm gonna do an exfoliation as well because it is Friday, and on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays we exfoliate. So yeah, we got that on there pretty good. It's good. And that just opens up the neck area. Anytime, like I specialize in lymphatic drainage massage as well. I'm like big on like Chinese medicine, so I love pressure point techniques. I love lymphatic drainage massages, things of that sort. So now I'm gonna come in with my raspberry cleanser. You know, I said I was gonna do the glycolic, but I really love the raspberry. But I can use some brightening on my skin, and I'm gonna show y'all. So these products are only offered in studio. Oh, this. So when I apply this product, it does burn a little bit. Some clients it doesn't, but you know, skin type is all different. So you don't know until you actually get a treatment and you see how the products are fitting for your skin. So all the clients, when they come in, we come in and we do a nice consultation to see what, you know, their targets are. A lot of clients' targets is finding the regimen for the skin, knowing what products to use. Some of them aren't using any products, and then some are using products, but it's really not geared towards their skin. So right now I have my Black Friday sale going on. The website is 60% off. And those products are more luxurious, imported products. And I use the gold mask in studio as well. So you guys can click the link. And buy a kit. Buy a mask, and there's some cleansing devices on there as well. Really, really super cute stuff. Okay, so I have the cleanser on my face right now. It's burning a little bit, but that's good. So right now I have green tea. I have the green tea, and then I have Glycolic. So we came in with Hydrating, and then we came in with Brightening. So right now I am glowing, and I didn't even do anything yet. The green tea and then the Glycolic. So both of them are on right now. We are going to wash the product off. So when you apply cleanser, you really want to let it stay on there for like 2 to 3 minutes. A lot of people wash their face and it's like for a minute. You're not giving the product any time to really seep into the skin. And especially when you come into the studio, we're doing steam. So we're really opening those pores. Some people, when I got my first facial, I didn't like to steam either, but it was like, you need to steam. You need to steam to open the pores, so. Nice and clean. And that's just the cleanser. My God. Oh my God. See, y'all gotta get y'all skin together, really. So nice and smooth. Before it was a little blotchy. I don't know what that is. Nice and blotchy. But nice and smooth, nice and hydrated, and it's brightening. So now I'm gonna come in with